Wow. And then we just put that in the, so what do we have to turn it on to?
To bake to 400
Okay.
or 425.
And then how long?
I'm gonna let it, I'll put it for 20.
Okay. So we put it right in?
I'll wait for you.
Wait a couple seconds?
I'll wait.
Here we go. We're going in. Are we taking that off? Oh my gosh! I didn't see you put all that stuff on. Oh, there it goes. Let's turn the light on. That looks good.
15.
Just 15?
Well, I'm gonna look at it at 15.
Okay. We'll come back and check it out in 15 minutes. Check it out. Look at that. Looks good. All right, we're checking it. My honey's got to check it and see if it's cooked. I think it needs a little bit more time. Spin it around. Bam.
Got it.
Okay, go for it. All right, we're taking it out.
Check it.
Can I look at it? Look at that. Thank you, Nuwave. So we just turn the Nuwave off or leave it on? All right, are we going to check it?
Yeah.
Look at that crispiness. I think it's ready. All right, looks good.
Can you hand me a